So, we've had this Pro 2 controller for a while now, and for some weird reason, the analog sticks just kind of melt for no reason at all. In today's video, we're going to fix this to create a nice, fresh Pro 2 controller.
Subscribble.
On the 8BitDo site, you can get these cap replacements, but as I'm in Japan, I need to pay 3 to 4 times due to postage, so I went to our favourite, AliExpress. We know the quality may vary here, but as the originals melted only due to age, I'm happy rolling them dice at a fraction of the price. These for the PlayStation 5 apparently fit the SM30 Pro, SM30 Pro Plus, or the Pro 2 controller, and there are many colour variations. So let's install this thing. First thing we need to do is remove the battery cover, and then the battery inside. This can be a little tricky, so using a plastic pry tool can help. Oh, and open from the left side for a much easier time. Now with the battery out, we need to remove 4 screws. 2 of them are visible at the end of the grips, and another 2 are hidden under the battery label. To access these, just use your fingernails, or somebody else's fingernails. There you go, there's one. And there's another on the other corner. A small hex wrench is definitely not the tool to use here, but we managed to use this to remove the screws at the end of the grips. If we look a little closer, we actually need a Torx bit for this. I have a set that came with a screwdriver, and yeah, fits like a glove. Now with the 4 screws removed, we need to take off these shoulder tabs. And to do so, just pull up. Now we can open the controller to get inside. We're going to use a prying tool, or you could use something like a guitar pick or something plastic. Either way, just work your way around, and it should start to open very much like an egg. Just be careful not to use brute force, as there is a cable that attaches the front of the controller to the back. Easy does it. You can see how I started from the top of the controller, and I work around to the bottom until it cracks open. And now we can see the insides. There we go. So we could remove the cable, or even give it a good clean around the edge, but for this video, we're just going to focus on these 2 nibbles. So let's take a look what we got from AliExpress. So we got the joystick replacements, these ones for the PlayStation 5, but if you look in the back further, we get a couple of thumb caps. To be fair, we could have just used these at the start and not even have to open it up, but whatever. Prefer to just switch the whole thing anyway. To remove the old ones, just pull up, while making sure you hold the bottom of the controller firm. Comparing the joystick to the original, there are slight differences, but also remember that the OG pretty much ate itself. Either way, I'm happy with how it looks, provided that it works well. Before we put it in, we're just going to use a little air duster to clean it up a bit. And then we can just push it in. Just push it down firmly until it clicks. Now for the right side, just line up the shape and just plop it in. Alright, let's put the top on. And then close it the opposite way we opened it. So start at the bottom, bottom, and work your way around. And there we go. There's a bit of friction here, but we'll sort that later. But first, let's properly close it up. Now for the triggers. The battery. Yeah, looks like new. But as we said before, we're going to sort out the friction. To do so, we're going to use this Cera grease. Just put a pea-sized amount on the Q-tip and lube up the area that looks like it's going to touch the case. Don't have to be exact, as we're going to wipe off the excess later. So here it is without lube, and with the grease. Night and day. So now that both sides are feeling great, we're going to wipe off the muck. Just use the tissue for that. And we're good to go. Yeah, feels like new. Kinda. Here's a huge thanks to all those on our Patreon. We really appreciate your support. If you want early access and a bit more behind the scenes, please check the links down below. If you enjoyed this video, please whack the like button, comment, and ta-ra!